All right, here we go. It is day number 76, and this is my review, progress, all that kind of stuff with Traiex there, okay? So we've got to go figure out this number. Did add a bit of funds to my account there. As you can see, yesterday's video, where were we at? 5,601, and then I think I've got an extra, like 30 bucks in there basically. So we've got to, and so there's one that I added there. So we got to take this one off, and the other one, which would have been the deposit, a deposit now, but the withdrawal from yesterday, I might not need to take that off because I think I added it to my account shortly after I did my video, and there's that deposit there. So 1640 would have been, like shortly after my video, because this is the server time there. So we'll leave that 2143 in there. So yeah, really simple. It's just this number minus that $9 and something. And there's the number that we need here. Okay, so let's grab our command, which is this. Oh, and look, there you go. So that's the exact number there, because after I do my deposit, I always change the number here, so it's exactly as it should be. So that's good. And yep, everything. Oh, it's off by a couple cents, so we'll just take the couple cents there. And we'll put that there. Here, and then we need the number in here. So I'm in my wallet. I gotta change accounts, switch accounts, and into the sub account, confirm that, and then we'll check out the prediction for the listing of the Traiex token there for the people that are interested in buying it. I'll share some information with you. So 565566, 5655.56, and then this is going to give us our profit percentage there, which is 0.58. So pretty good. We'll go, as I said, we'll go check out the token. Was it in my account here, or was it in the master account where I have the everything charted out and stuff, right? I think it's in my master. Oh no, it's in this one. Okay, so good. Okay, so still coming down our green box here. As I say, a buy in this green box, guys, is I would consider a good buy. So if you're to buy right now, it's probably a good buy. So we will go to the trade history, and we're going to find yesterday, and we'll figure out the win rate for yesterday. So we're looking for the 22nd here, which is probably on page 4 or 5. So there's the start of the 22nd. This trade is a winner. You can see the sell is higher than the buy. We'll go on to the next page, and that was page number 4. I like to write down what I'm doing, and then I don't get lost. And then this trade here, so you can see here, this is a losing trade, but it's not actually a losing trade. It's break even, right? The price difference here is, 24 cents or something like that, which would be, that's actually a big losing trade for the bot. Most of them are like 10 to 20 cents. So if we take this minus this, you'll see on $111,000, this is the actual loss that it created on that trade, 24 cents. So think of it this way. Is my account trading on $111,000? No, it's not. It's trading on like $1,700, $1,686. This 24 cents, when it's being traded on $111,000, that is a fraction of a cent in my trade. So it didn't have a loss. The loss is coming from the fee, the trading fee. The trading fee here to sell was 42 cents. The trading fee here to buy, if we go to Google, you'll see it's about 42 cents as well, right? So Bitcoin to USD, okay, 41 cents. Okay, you can see there. That's where the actual loss is coming from, is the trading. There's another profit. Here's another loss there. So once again, you can see it's cents, guys, like 20 cents or so there, okay? So there's another one, okay? And it's just the loss is actually from the fee. There's another one there. Okay, so you'll see there's like a lot of losses, but it's not a ton compared to the amount of winning trades that it does. So here's a profit, because it has like an 80 to 90% win rate. There's a profit. There's another loss. Okay, so we're at 4. And then there's a profit, They're on page 7. There's a profit, profit. There's another loss. Okay, so there's 5. Okay, profit, profit. Next page is another loss. Okay, so there's 6. The world record we've had so far in these videos is 8 losses in 24 hours. And it did 70 to 80 trades. So ended up still being like, I think 78% or 79% win rate there. So this here is a profit. That's a profit. There's another loss. So we're at 7 right now. Okay, so 7. So this guy here is a profit. And then we're looking for the 21st. So still, here we go, okay? So profit, 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 profit. And we should be on the 21st here. Oh, no, it's still going. So there's a profit. There's another loss. Okay, so we've got 8 losses here, guys. If we had one more loss, that's going to be the world record now for these videos. World record, right? That's not a world record. I'm sure if you were trading like this, you'd have way more losses, right? Okay, so that's a profit. And then there you go, guys. Here we go. It's still on the 22nd. There's the new record, 9 losses. And then this guy here is a profit. And then should be, still 22nd. So you can see there, 70 to 80 trades. Amazing, right? So profit, 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 profit. Okay, so it had 9. So this is the record now, is 9 losses over 24 hours. And then we're going to count how many trades it did. So remember at the start, before we started counting here, I said I count 2 trades as actually one trade. Like 2 trades would be the buys a trade and then the sells a trade. I count the buy and the sell together as a trade because that's how I'm calculating the losses, is looking at the buy. And then if the sell's a smaller number than the buy, it means it's a loss, right? Okay, so we've got on page 11, we have 4 trades. So we've got 4 on page 11. So then I can't count page 11 as a full page. So it starts here as page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And then we've got 1 trade on there. Okay, so we do 6 times 5. Okay, so we're 6 times 5 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, so that would be 6 times 7, but we'll just do this all in front of here so you're like, okay, I can totally see what he's doing. 6 times 7, or sorry, 6 times 5. 6 times 5 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, so you might be thinking now, well, where's that 1? There's the 1. And then if we go to page 11, this is why I have to write everything down, right? Page 11, you can see there's 4 trades there, okay? And I didn't count those in the 6 times 5, right? Okay, so here it is right here. This is how many trades it did if you're calculating 2 trades there, the buy and the sell together. So if we add these 2 numbers together, times 2, that gives us how many trades it actually did. It did 70 trades, and out of those 70 trades, there was 9 losing trades, okay, which that's the highest losing amount of trades that I've ever seen. And you can go through all the videos, and you can look at this, guys. Like, it's always been 8. We've had 2 days where it was 8, and then today we've beat it, and it's 9. And we're going to go grab this command down here. I'm going to copy that. We've got all our numbers here to pop in. And we're going to put 70 here, or no, sorry, 35. And then here we're going to put 9. And then we're going to figure out the win rate. It still should be around 80, like close to 80, right? 74 point, okay, so that's the new lowest day, guys, 74.29. This is the lowest day we've ever seen so far. So you're lucky if you're watching this video, because then you get this is the lowest day. So if we come back here and we look, yesterday was 78.38, which was now it's the 3rd lowest day. And then you can see most days here are over 80%, 84%, 87%, 82, 84, 88, 90, 87, 80, 78, 78.13. So that was the previous lowest day. So now we have a new world record for my videos is 74.29% win rate there. And then this day was a 90, 79, 90, 82, 85, 84, you get it, right? Most of the time it's 80 to 90%. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. That's kind of all we need to go over, but I do want to show you here what I was talking about at the start of how to confirm all this stuff, because that's I have enough people now messaging me. I get about a sign up a day now through Traiex, guys. And, I always ask people if they don't create their account, I say like, oh, for my marketing, can you tell me like what stopped you basically, right? Like I don't care what you say, just be honest about it. And they say it seems too good to be true. And I don't know a way around that, guys, is because you can see everything, right? And like, I really don't know what to say to that, because you can see everything, right? You can go here to the chart. You can sit here and watch it, and you'll see the bot trading. Like, you'll see it enter a trade. You'll see it set a sell. It uses limit orders. You'll see the orders getting filled, and then you can go over. Like, it'd be great to catch one in the video right now, but the odds of that happening, because as you can see here, it does, like, this is the 15-minute chart, and you can see every like 30, 40 minutes it does a trade. So the odds of me catching a trade right now is low. But then you can go over, once that trade is closed, you can go to the trade history page, and then you can see it on the trade history page, right? If it's a loss, if it's a gain, whatever. And then you can come over to your account, right? And then you can refresh the page. You look at this number here and you refresh the page, because that's your profit balance. And then this number here will go up or down depending on if the trade was a winner or a loss, right? So like, it can't get any more transparent than that. It creates daily profit. And the reason behind that is because it's scalp trading, guys. It's not going and averaging into the market. Like most trading bots, like 99% of trading bots out there, you buy them, there you go. Here, look, see, it's happening right now. Okay. So it did it. And there's its sell. See how it placed the sell? I didn't do anything. You can see my hands were like this, right? Okay, it's crazy. So when I refresh the page here, when it closes the trade and I refresh it, you'll see up here, it'll say that it's closed the trade, and you won't have the trade down there. When it closes it, I'll refresh the page, and you'll notice all this stuff is gone, and then you'll see the green arrow and the red arrow there, and then we'll go back here and we'll refresh this, and if it's a winning trade, this number will go up. If it's a losing trade, this number will go down. Okay, and there you go. So you see that the order just filled there. It's I don't know if it was a win or a loss. The sell was above the entry price, so hopefully it hit that. But we'll refresh it, and you'll see this stuff is going to go away, and you'll see the two arrows there. Okay, so there you go. So that was definitely a winning trade because the price is up higher now, right? So there's the entry, the green arrow, and then there's the sell right there. Okay. So then if we go over here, this is perfect, because this is exactly what I was talking about in this video, guys, is that it seems too good to be true, and people are getting like, the people that trade are getting confused about this, because it's like, how can it trade that much? It's crazy. So here's the trade that it just did. The entry was a winning trade, right? You got to remember too, my account's not $108,000, guys. It's trading on $1,697. You saw the trade it did. Like, it did it within under a minute, and it was like a really small little trade that it was doing. Like, it's just going for like 100 and whatever that is, 150 or $30 or something like that. So you can see there, that's a winning trade. That's the time and stuff. And then if we go over here and we refresh this page, this number will go up. Not by a lot, by probably maybe $1 or so, $1.30 or something. I don't know. We'll see. So it goes up. So there you go there. Now it's 23.30. Okay. So that's basically how you can confirm this stuff, is you can actually see it trading live on the chart, right? It was good that my hands were doing this when you saw it do a buy. Or that could be something else someone could say is, oh, Drew, you did that trade on your own because we can't see your hands. Maybe I'll put them on my head next time. Right? But yeah, guys, it's just, I think for those people out there that you're traders and you're like, you're like, I can't see how it can trade this much and how the win rate can be so high. Yes, the profitability is not like, it's not like super, oh my God, over the moon. It's not 7% a day, but it is profitable. Every single video I've done has made profit, right? So that's the thing. And I have 76 videos now of daily review videos on this channel. So there's going to be a day when there's 300 daily review videos. And I'm pretty confident to say that I don't think there'll be a loss in those videos, just because so far we've done, 76 and there hasn't been a loss yet, right? A daily loss. Of course, there's loss. We've had 9 losing trades. But yeah, it seems unbelievable to people, guys. And I hope that the people that feel, oh, maybe it's unbelievable, watch this video and think about what I'm saying here, right? Because it does make sense. It makes sense that an AI could trade without taking a break, without stopping, and it could get in a trade every, I'll say 5 to 45 minutes, it's getting in a trade. Most of the time, it's like in between that time. If you look at this is the 15-minute chart, and pretty much every second to third candle on here, it's getting in a trade. It doesn't trade stuff like this, where it's just dropping or it's pumping. It won't trade. It'll trade in a sideways action, right? Like this is sideways, this is sideways, this is sideways. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's do a withdrawal here. I'll just withdraw 100%, and then, or no, I won't. I won't withdraw 100% because we didn't, this balance went up by like $2 or something, right? Or $1.50 or whatever. So we have to leave that $1.50 or whatever in the balance for tomorrow's video because we calculated 21 something in this video here. So we got to be fair for tomorrow's video. So I'm going to go and, also I'll do the withdrawal and then we'll talk about the updates that they did to the website. So we'll do 21.50 because I forget exactly what it was, but it was like around that. Yeah. So here's the updates. That's it from me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll end it on this page here, and I'll see you in another one there shortly. I always like to refresh the page just in case, Anyways, yeah, it didn't make any profit there since I did the withdrawal, but I'll see you guys in another video there shortly. Bye-bye.